Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make money without any money at all, starting from the worst possible ways you could make money and then moving on to some more legitimate ones. So first off, you could rob someone. Don't do this. If you do this, in most cases you're a bad person. Next one, commit fraud. Also don't do this. If you do, you're still likely a bad person, but less bad than a robber in most cases. Moving on to number 3, start a pyramid scheme. Don't do this either. It's probably also bad, but I have heard great stories about this working for the people at the very top. Moving on to number 4, scam people. Don't do this either. It's not a good thing to do. I'm not going to go into details of how you might go about this. This is more of a thing that you shouldn't do. Moving on to number 5. You can beg for money on the street. You can do this. It's pretty much okay. In most places you might get moved on if you do this outside of certain shops. They don't like beggars taking their customers' money away. But this is the first legitimate one that you can do. Still not the best, but if you've got no more options, you can try it. Moving on to number 6, we have busk on the street with an instrument if you can. So, sing. You could even just sing. Even if you don't sing very well or you cannot sing at all, chances are maybe if you sing loud enough and badly enough, people will pay you to stop singing. So there's an added bonus there. One of the downsides is everyone who has to listen to you will dislike you to a moderate degree. Moving on to the next one. Sell stuff, obviously. If you have stuff that you don't need or that you do need but you need money more, you can sell books or clothes or electronics, puzzles, anything you have. All sorts of stuff can be sold. You can do it online, or you can just put up ads around the town. Usually there's notice boards around that you can stick up an ad for stuff that you're trying to sell. Moving on to number 8, get a job. The plain truth that no one wants to hear or do, because everyone wants the money without doing the work in most cases. So do paper runs and just manual labour, odd jobs around the place. Or you could get a proper job, like a proper job, working at McDonald's or something else. I don't know, KFC, Subway, maybe, or an even better job if you're qualified. Next, moving on to number 9, start a small business. Usually you don't really need much to do this with basic things: mow lawns, wash cars, clean windows, that sort of thing. Obviously mow lawns, you might have to loan someone's lawnmower or obtain it somehow. Cleaning windows, that doesn't really take much. All you need is soap, window wash type stuff, and some towels or whatever. Same with washing cars. You don't really need that much to get started doing that. And that brings us to our last one, number 10, the final one. Provide a service. You could walk people's dogs or weed people's gardens. Basic stuff. Anyway, that's some basic ways that you can make money without previously owning any money. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.